Christmas time, guys. I'm so excited to share with you my Christmas tour slash decorate with me. I wanted to do like a vintage, glam, elegant theme this year. So for my table, I just have my regular antique candlesticks, and in the center of the table, I added this gorgeous crystallized glittery reindeer. I've had this for years, like literally years, as well as this little diamondy rhinestone beaded Christmas tree. I believe these are both from Home Goods from a long time ago. And then for my big mirror, I wanted to do this like department store inspired garland, and I wanted it to have this like Great Gatsby elegant Victorian element to it and vibe. So I did a few ornaments, but mainly I did a lot of garland. So we have crystal garland, pearl garland, different types of pearls. We have gold, we have silver, and a few icicles, as well as some beautiful glass ornaments that I feel like really did its thing. And I also added lights, and just the final product came out exactly how I wanted. So beautiful. I love the pearls and everything. Of course, it looks better in person. The lighting kind of makes everything look very blown out. And then to really top it off and take it over the top, I added this gorgeous gold bow that is actually a hair bow that I got from Anthropology like last year, and it looks so beautiful as a little bow topper for my garland. Then for my chandelier, I got this beautiful velvet ribbon, and I did these little bows and added that, and I just think it's the cutest little subtle Christmas decor. Couch, I just added this little pillow that I got from Target last year. It basically just means Christmas in French. And then for my fireplace, I did my garland with some lights, and then I had these light up Christmas trees from Home Goods that I got a couple years ago, and I just love that little extra Christmassy element since we have so much going on. And then also I added beautiful artwork to my frame TV as well. For the Christmas tree, I bought a couple things, but I used a lot of things I already had. I bought these beautiful picks from Home Goods. They have this gorgeous champagne glitter with these little pearls, and then I got these gorgeous ornaments. I really wanted things with pearls that were reflective to just really give that super glamorous icicle tinsel vibe, to give it like that vintage vibe. And then for something a little bit more modern and glam, I picked up these ornaments. These are Martha Stewart ornaments that I also got at Home Goods, and I love that teardrop ornament that I was pointing to. Those teardrop ornaments are so beautiful. I had to get 2 packs of them because I love the shape, loved that reflective champagne gold with the glitter, just so pretty. So I got 2 packs of those. And then I picked up these beautiful little cherub ornaments from Amazon. I love those little gold cherubs. They really just were the chef's kiss on top. I really wanted kind of like a Roman Grecian glamorous vibe, so I had a lot of these angel wings already. I had these white ones. Actually, the white hard ones are from Dollar Tree. Incredible, right? And then the other ones are really old from Pier 1. And then I got these beautiful gold ones from Amazon. These were a little bit expensive, but oh my God, so worth it, and I'm gonna have them forever. And then I had some other white gold ornaments that I already had from previous Christmases. I just love how it came out in the end. It looks so pretty at night. I am obsessed. I also added some other lights from Target, and then I also added other gold ornaments as well as some vintage clip-on candles to really give it that like early 1900s kind of aesthetic that I was going for. Coffee table, I added this little sleigh. I've had this for a few years as well, and every year I use it no matter what the theme is. It's so cute. I just feel like it's such a nice little piece, and it works really well as a little holder for my remotes and stuff like that. And it's just a really pretty little piece that I feel is so necessary to put out every Christmas. And then I put some of my more whimsical decorations in my bedroom just because they don't really go with the theme, but I love them, like my little Hallmark reindeer, my Rudolph, he's so cute, and this little nutcracker. And then I also always add this little gold Christmas tree on my bar cart because you just need a little bit of Christmassiness on the bar cart, okay? I also added this little deer behind my Christmas tree to give it a little winter wonderland vibe. In the kitchen, I just have some of my Christmas mugs out, and I thought it'd be cute to show you guys a little bit of my Christmas mug collection. I have this stocking, gingerbread, Santa, a reindeer, just so many cute ones that I've collected over the years. And then my little snow women ballerinas. I got this at Home Goods a few years ago. I also have my wreath on my front door on the inside that I love at night. It looks so pretty. And this is how everything looks at night. It's just so magical and so pretty. I love how it came out. It feels like a winter wonderland department store. It feels so elegant. I know for some people department stores are not like the best thing ever, but for me, growing up in New York City, having that kind of like Macy's Fifth Avenue Christmas vibe in my own home just feels so cozy, and I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a Merry Christmas season. We have our pups here. These are our children. Can't see the tree now, but what do you think, babe? Do you like it?
The tree is amazing. It's beautiful.
You like the decor this year?
It's really beautiful. I like this different tree. You really did your thing.
Thanks, baby. So that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will leave links for stuff down below. Why are their faces not showing? Show everybody your cute faces. Say bye, people. Thanks for watching Mama's channel. Subscribe. Okay. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, perfect. Hey guys, so now we're hanging this garland on our archway here, and I wrapped a string of pearls around it, and then I think we're gonna do another string of pearls like dangling in the center. Babe, why'd you walk away? And you're my pearl guy.
What happened?
I want you to put the pearls.
Oh.
Not the weaponized incompetence. Wait, what did I say? Weaponized?
So you just wrapped it around?
No, don't wrap that one. Just like, I think whatever you're doing looks nice. Like, so you can have like nice, dangly sections of pearls. So it matches the other one. Oh, that looks pretty. Oh yeah. Tree toppers going on. So cute. 1, 2, 3. Yay! It's Christmas time. Even though it's still first week of November, I'm so excited. What do you think, babe?
It's
so cute.